Hello there.
How to deposit and withdraw funds on Degiro. Your first step is to log in into your account. If you don't already have one, feel free to watch our previous video on how to create one. Once you arrive on the Market tab, you will then go to the right corner and click the Deposit and Withdraw button. The following will appear. For deposits, you will see the manual transfer option. Click on that. From there, you will receive the name of the beneficiary, aka you, the sort code, the account number, and the bank's name. This is the information you will need to wire money to your account. Just a quick reminder, the account you wire your money from must be in your name and the one that was previously verified once you created your Degiro account. For withdrawal, you will have the following layout. The account from where the funds are being transferred, aka your Degiro account, to, of course, you guessed it, your verified and in your name account you use to create your Degiro account, the amount you want to withdraw, and a description box which is optional. Those transactions typically take 2 to 4 working days, and as you can see, it is that simple to deposit or withdraw funds on Degiro. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to like and subscribe.